With this recipe, the meatloaf will be the true highlight of your dinner. First, add 800 grams of ground beef and 2 whole eggs to a bowl. These 2 ingredients are the base of our meatloaf. Now, let's season it. Add 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. And to give it that irresistible aroma, grate 2 garlic cloves directly into the bowl. Next, let's grate 1 onion because we want it to mix well with the meat. Transfer the grated onion to the bowl with the meat and spices. Now let's add a touch of freshness. Finely chop a bunch of parsley and add it to the mixture. For that unmistakable flavor, add 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce that will give that special and irresistible touch to our dish, and 3 tablespoons of ketchup. It's time to mix everything well to make sure all the spices and ingredients are evenly distributed in the meat. Now, in a baking dish, add a drizzle of olive oil and, using a brush, spread it over the entire dish. This will ensure the meat doesn't stick and will give a golden crust. Transfer all the meat mixture to the dish, shaping it to cover the entire base of the dish evenly. Make sure the shape is well covered. Now, let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, add half a cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix well until it becomes a smooth mixture. Season the sauce with half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 crushed garlic clove. This will give an extra touch of flavor. Using a brush, spread the sauce over the entire surface of the meat, making sure it gets into all the corners. Now, just place our dish in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. The smell that will fill your kitchen is mouth-watering. And done. After this time, our meatloaf will be ready to serve. It will be hard to wait for it to cool, but it's worth it. If you liked this recipe, let me know in the comments where you are watching from. And of course, don't forget to rate the recipe from 0 to 10. Share it with friends and enjoy this deliciousness. See you in the next video and enjoy your meal.